Hey there, tech lovers. Today, we're diving into the unboxing and setup of the brand new Mac Mini M4, a beast in a beauty's body. Let's peel back the layers and see what makes this tiny powerhouse tick. First, we're greeted with this hard, no-nonsense cardboard packaging. Apple clearly isn't playing games with its shipping game. A quick peel here, a satisfying flap there, and voila! Inside, we find the pristine white Mac Mini M4 box. And let me tell you, this box is shouting minimalist luxury. Take a look. Mac and Mini stamped elegantly on the box, almost like Apple subtly reminding us, good things come in small packages. Oh, and did you notice? The back proudly declares that it's carbon neutral, saving the planet and delivering cutting-edge tech. Talk about multitasking. And now, the moment of truth, lifting the lid to reveal the star of the show, the Mac Mini M4, shining brighter than my future. Look at that aluminum chassis and premium finish. It's like Apple decided to sculpt a block of elegance. And trust me, it feels as good as it looks. Let's talk specs. And no, not the nerdy numbers just yet. First, that build quality, smooth edges, sturdy feel, and a premium finish that screams, don't mess with me, I'm all business. Now what's inside the box? Besides the Mac Mini itself, we've got a power cable and some light reading material, though we all know nobody actually reads those. Oh, and peeling off these protective layers, chef's kiss. It's like undressing a gift. Ports galore. Up front, we have two USB-C ports and a headphone jack. On the back, it's a buffet of options. 3 Thunderbolt USB-C ports, an HDMI port, an Ethernet port, and of course, the power inlet. It's got more ports than my gaming rig, which honestly makes me a little jealous. Alright, let's bring this beauty to life. First, I plugged it into power and connected it to my monitor via HDMI. The Mac Mini powered on like a champ, ready to go. Next, I paired my Logitech MX Master 3S for Mac and Logitech Pebble 2 keyboard. And guess what? Even though they're not Apple branded, they paired faster than a Netflix recommendation after you binge a series. Then came the iconic Apple Hello. It's like the Mac Mini was saying, hey, welcome to the family. Setting it up was a breeze. I selected my language, and for the keyboard pairing, Apple had me press a few numbers. Basically, a trust exercise for my fingers. Wi-Fi. I chose my network, entered the password, and boom, the Mac Mini was online. Officially connected to the World Wide Web. I mean, what's a computer without Wi-Fi, right? A glorified paperweight. After that, I zipped through Apple's data and privacy clauses. It's all very official, but let's be honest. We just scroll and click agree. Signed in with my Apple ID, created a computer account, and, drumroll please, setup complete. This baby is ready to roll. And there you have it, the unboxing, review, and setup of the Mac Mini M4. From its stunning design to its smooth as butter setup, this little powerhouse is a big deal. Whether you're a creator, a coder, or just someone who appreciates good tech, the Mac Mini M4 is here to impress. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, smash subscribe, and maybe even ring the bell for more content. Until next time, stay techy.